Bell 2312 heading 080.
080, we just had a laser event, Bell 2312.
Okay, just now, was it off the left, right? Do you have any more info?
Off the left, 10 miles back, and 3 miles off our left wing, over.
Okay, and just the color.
Green.
Convoy 3788, just use caution. Unauthorized laser events off your left there, reported by aircraft up ahead.
Yeah, we got it as well, Convoy 3788, about a mile or two behind us on the left side, green laser.
Thank you. Convoy 3788, turn right, heading 100.
Heading 100, Envoy 3788, confirming we're for the RNAV Whiskey for 29.
RNAV Whiskey, everyone else is doing the stadium visual.
Alright, thank you. RNAV Whiskey, and right turn to 100.
Get special treatment just today though. As 880, descend and maintain 5,000.
Set 5,000, Joe, 880.
Envoy 3788, speed 210, then maintain 4,000.
210, then 4,000, Envoy 3788.
Delta 2033, altimeter 3030, use caution, unauthorized laser, up ahead, reported by multiple aircraft.
Copy all, Delta 2033, we're 5,020 heading.
At 3705, go direct to give me, let me know when you got the stadium or field in sight, try to maintain 2,500. You got 3705, hello?
3705, go ahead.
Would you like to land at Newark today?
That'd be great.
Okay, perfect, then go right direct to give me, and let me know when you got the stadium or the field in sight.
It's in sight, we're here, 3705, direct give me.
6,000 heading 020, we have Papa.
Yeah, 3675, turn right 120, speed 170.
120, speed 170, Brickyard, 3675, sorry, someone just stepped in on it.
It's alright, I'm used to it. Nobody knows how to check in properly. I got 3402, it's going to be a tight turn to give me, so you can expect to hear momentarily.
Roger that, Brickyard 3402.
Who's trying to check in?
Approach is 041, heading 020, 6,000, we have Papa.
Airman's 841, it's going to maintain 5,000.
5,000 is 041.
Brickyard 3625, turn right heading 130, I'll direct Teterboro for you shortly.
10, Quebec.
Yeah, I was talking, man. Brickyard 3625, right turn heading 140, and I'll direct Teterboro for you shortly.
Alright, 140, Brickyard 3625.
That's 672, direct to Godley for the RNAV Zulu 23. At 75 heavy, speed 180, and just going to maintain 2,500. At 75 heavy, speed 180, just going to maintain 2,500.
2,500.
At 1411, turn right 110, 3,000. Alright, if you're trying to check in, stop checking in. My frequency, you just listen up for your call center, alright? At 1411, turn right 120, maintain 3,000.
120, 3,000, at 1411.
At 1937, just going to maintain 4,000.
Down to 4, 1937.
At a 1937, what speed you doing?
Doing 240 right now.
You do 250, please?
We can.
Cool. 1043, heading 080, 4,000.
Approach today, 185, maintaining 7,000, please, whatever
Not hear me talking to an aircraft, sir? At 1043, heading 090, 4,000.
090, 4,000,
1044, heading 060.
060, 1044.
Point setter 350, call Teterboro Tower 109.5.
109.5, point 50.
Envoy 3564, heading 040, 5,000.
040, out of 645, Envoy 3564.
Yankee Mike 610, RNAV Yankee to 19, go direct Nippy.
Direct Nippy, feet down 610.
Approach today, speed 18 heavy.
18 Papa Heavy, I heard you the first time, sir. ILS 22 left, altimeter 3039.
Speed 39, ILS 22 left, speed 18 Papa Heavy. Brickyard 3691, we're getting lasered at our 3 o'clock.
Brickyard 3691, do you happen to notice the color?
Green.
Any injuries?
No injuries.
Number 4180, I got a quick question for you before I clear you for the approach. Have you seen any drones tonight?
No drones, number 4180.
Okay. Well, no, as everyone's just calling and reporting drones, but we don't see anything, but everyone's reporting them. So I was just wondering if you saw them coming from this side, because everyone's reporting them pretty much from Philly.
Yeah, now that we noticed.
Okay. 450 Whiskey Charlie, I'm guessing it was a green laser, right?
Yeah, I bet you it's a Christmas display then if it's all day.
It might be. It really might be. I don't know. Don't worry though, we got the FBI already on it. American 322, turn right 123,000.
123,000 American 322.
50 Whiskey Charlie, direct to Nippy, speed 180.
You broke up, but I got direct Nippy speed. I did not. 450 Whiskey Charlie.
Just 180 on the speed, and I just want to make sure no injuries for that laser, right?
No injuries, direct Nippy, 180 on the speed, 450 Whiskey Charlie.
Sir. American 322, turn right 160 to center maintain 2,500.
Alright, 160, 2,500 American 322.
For Delta 2498.
190 heading to intercept speed 200.
Alright, right turn 190 intercept 200, and we got our laser strike.
Sorry, you just had a laser strike?
A firm for Delta 2498.
Okay, Breaker 3571, turn right at 140.
Right 140, 3571.
That's 2498, can you tell me the position, color, and if any injuries?
Yeah, it's green. Off our right hand side, probably 220 heading, and no injuries.
2498, roger.